हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। अगर आप नीट, बीएससी या एम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है। आज हम बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन चैप्टर से 25 मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूएस करने वाले हैं जो बार बार एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। हर क्वेश्चन के साथ आपको 4 ऑप्शंस और शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन भी मिलेगा जिससे आपका कॉन्सेप्ट और स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए और कमेंट में बताइए कि आपने कितने क्वेश्चन सही किए। Let's start the quiz. Question 1. Who proposed the five kingdom classification? A. Aristotle, B. Linnaeus, C. R. H. Whittaker, D. Haeckel. Answer: C. R. H. Whittaker. Explanation: Five kingdom system was proposed by R. H. Whittaker in 1969. Question 2. Kingdom Monera includes A. All multicellular organisms, B. All prokaryotic organisms, C. All eukaryotic organisms, D. Only plants. Answer: B. All prokaryotic organisms. Explanation: Monera includes bacteria, cyanobacteria etc., which are prokaryotic. Question 3. Cell wall of fungi is made up of A. Cellulose, B. Peptidoglycan, C. Chitin, D. Lignin. Answer: C. Chitin. Explanation: Fungi have chitin cell wall, not cellulose. Plants have cellulose. Question 4. Methanogens belong to A. Eubacteria, B. Archaebacteria, C. Protista, D. Fungi. Answer: B. Archaebacteria. Explanation: Methanogens are archaebacteria found in marshy areas and ruminant stomach. Question 5. Diatoms are known for A. Silica cell wall, B. Protein coat, C. Chitin wall, D. Flagella. Answer: A. Silica cell wall. Explanation: Diatoms have glass-like silica walls called fistules. Question 6. Imperfect fungi are placed in A. Phycomycetes, B. Ascomycetes, C. Basidiomycetes, D. Deuteromycetes. Answer: D. Deuteromycetes. Explanation: Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi because sexual reproduction is absent. Question 7. Who gave binomial nomenclature? A. Darwin, B. Whittaker, C. Linnaeus, D. Aristotle. Answer: C. Linnaeus. Explanation: Carl Linnaeus introduced binomial nomenclature. Question 8. Blue-green algae belong to A. Protista, B. Monera, C. Plantae, D. Fungi. Answer: B. Monera. Explanation: Blue-green algae are cyanobacteria and are prokaryotic. Question 9. Viroids were discovered by A. Ivanovsky, B. Stanley, C. T.O. Diener, D. Pasteur. Answer: C. T.O. Diener. Explanation: Theodore Diener discovered viroids in 1971. Question 10. Prions are made up of A. DNA, B. RNA, C. Protein only, D. Lipid. Answer: C. Protein only. Explanation: Prions are infectious protein particles without nucleic acid. Question 11. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in A. Cell type, B. Ribosomes, C. Cell wall composition, D. Shape. Answer: C. Cell wall composition. Explanation: Archaebacteria have unique cell wall without peptidoglycan. Question 12. Mycoplasma is characterized by A. Presence of cell wall, B. Absence of cell wall, C. Multicellularity, D. Chlorophyll. Answer: B. Absence of cell wall. Explanation: Mycoplasma are the smallest living cells and lack cell wall. Question 13. Slime molds belong to A. Monera, B. Fungi, C. Protista, D. Plantae. Answer: C. Protista. Explanation: Slime molds are fungus-like protists. Question 14. Dinoflagellates cause A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Red tide, C. Tuberculosis, D. Fermentation. Answer: B. Red tide. Explanation: Some dinoflagellates multiply rapidly causing red tide. Question 15. Euglenoids show A. Only autotrophic nutrition, B. Only heterotrophic nutrition, C. Mixotrophic nutrition, D. Saprophytic nutrition. Answer: C. Mixotrophic nutrition. Explanation: Euglena shows both plant and animal characteristics. Question 16. Hyphae collectively form A. Spore, B. Mycelium, C. Thallus, D. Capsule. Answer: B. Mycelium. Explanation: Network of hyphae forms mycelium. Question 17. Which fungi produce antibiotics? A. Rhizopus, B. Aspergillus, C. Penicillium, D. Agaricus. Answer: C. Penicillium. Explanation: Penicillin is obtained from Penicillium. Question 18. Lichens are association between A. Bacteria plus fungi, B. Algae plus fungi, C. Moss plus fungi, D. Algae plus bacteria. Answer: B. Algae plus fungi. Explanation: lichens show symbiotic relationship. Question 19. Virus was first discovered by A. Pasteur, B. Ivanovsky, C. Stanley, D. Koch. Answer: B. Ivanovsky. Explanation: Dmitry Ivanovsky discovered virus in 8. Question B. Capsid is made of A. DNA, B. RNA, C. Protein, D. lipid. Answer: C. Protein. Explanation: capsid is protein coat of virus. Question 21. Species is the basic unit of A. Taxonomy, B. Evolution, C. Ecology, D. Anatomy. Correct answer A. Species is lowest taxonomic rank. Question 22. Cyanobacteria are A. Eukaryotic, B. Prokaryotic, C. Multicellular, D. Fungi. Correct answer B. They lack true nucleus. Question 23. Diatomaceous earth is formed from A. Fungi, B. Algae, C. Diatoms, D. Moss. Correct answer C. Due to silica cell wall deposits. Question 24. Sexual reproduction absent in A. Ascomycetes, B. Basidiomycetes, C. Deuteromycetes, D. Phycomycetes. Correct answer C. Hence called imperfect fungi. Question 25. Methanogens produce A. Oxygen, B. Methane, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer B. Found in ruminant stomach. Thank you for watching and keep studying. See you soon in next video.